So one reason that I really talk a lot about Scandinavian design as well, I'm half Finnish, but also the aesthetic, not only is it a part of my ancestry and a part of me, I just really love the reasoning behind a lot of the design. So the reason that there is a lot of white and a lot of light birch is because of the seasons there. You have winters are really, really dark. You have very little sunlight. And summers, you have a lot of sunlight and very little darkness. It's really quite magical. But for the winter time, when it gets so dark, it can be very oppressive. And so when you use these light colors, you can play with the minimal light you have coming in the winter and make it feel like more. And also that's really great for mental health because of seasonal affective disorder and things like that. And anyone that is experiencing less light, all Finns, all people that live sort of in the northern climates, they know that sort of dread, that heaviness that winter brings. And if you can, change your environment or design it so that you can enjoy and use that to your advantage, I think that's genius, and I love that. And I'm not going to be living way up in the north with long winters or anything like that, but just in general, that design brings me happiness, it brings me lightness, it kind of opens up my brain, makes me feel less cluttered. And that's the whole point of minimalism in all this design, is when my environment feels calm, clean, open, so does my brain. And so I'm really just creating a space where I can feel, so my brain can kind of mimic what's around me, because it does that. So I'm just creating a space where I can feel the healthiest and most calm. And I just really believe that for me, the Scandinavian design resonates with that.